we have restarted our journey after sunrise kayaking in Alleppey backwater. Now we are heading towards Jatayu's Earth Center, so that has an ancient relevance. So we have around 130-kilometer ride from here to Jatayu's Earth Center, which seems to be a 3-hour journey. So yeah, for now, let's enjoy the ride. This is a good initiative by Kerala government. So in all the major square on the road, you can see this yellow board where it is mentioned that the number of accident which has happened in that particular junction, which we call it as squares in our side. So they have mentioned that okay, in this particular junction or square there are 49 accidents which has happened in the past few years. So yeah, this is something which I have been seeing from Kochi to this side of the road, Kochi, Alleppey, and now towards the Kovalam. So we have reached Jatayu's Earth Center. So I just spoke with the security guard. So there is some cable lining. So that ride and entry fee will cost you around 530 rupees. So you can opt for it or you can go walking. So yeah. So this was the Jatayu Art Center. So Jatayu Art Center happens to be the largest bird sculpture in the world, and so it was built in the memory of Jatayu. So those who don't know the significance of Ramayana, so when Ravana was taking or abducting Sita Ma, taking her from the airway, Jatayu saw her and he fought fearlessly with Ravana. Due to his age, since he was too old, Jatayu, Ravana beated him and cut his left feather, and he fell down in this Chadaya Mangalam rocks, and due to that they have built this sculpture here. So it was really a very good experience to see this sculpture, and it's really well maintained. Still I'm yet to have something for lunch, so I won't call it lunch, but something like a late evening snacks. So yeah, let's have it and continue our journey. See, this is what happens when you buy plastic ones. You cannot trust them. I hope now it won't fall down. Hi guys, so we have reached Kovalam, which happens to be almost the southern part of the Kerala state. From here, the last tip, which is Kanyakumari, is only 89-90 kilometers. So yeah, Kovalam will be the last southern point in our Kerala journey. From tomorrow onwards we will be heading north, up north Kerala, east side of Kerala, which is Tekadi, Munnar, Wayanad. So all those places we will be covering. So yeah, I will just check in. Hi friends, we have reached Kovalam, and so it was around 200-kilometer ride from Alleppey to here. So from early morning kayaking to the ride and everything, and the Jatayu Art Center, the day was really good. And yeah, so tomorrow we will be going to Tekadi, so expecting a lot of mountain roads which will be good for riding. and yeah, so it will be around 200 to 20 kilometer ride tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.